Hi, my name is Keiichi Ogawa. I'm a learning assessment specialist. I'm going to talk about the trend of online learning assessment. This is the outline of the presentations, emergence of online assessment, useful tools for online assessment, and the cases of online assessment during after COVID-19. So first, emergence of online assessment. Online assessment is an evaluation method that utilizes ICT. It can measure student learning progress without being limited by time or location. Especially it became popular because of COVID-19. However, the core of assessment are the same with face-to-face assessment. So online assessment is aligned with the clear learning objectives, measure student understanding and progress, reviewing teachers' instruction and method, and set clear criteria. So challenges and the strategies for online assessment. Also, the basic principle of implementing learning assessment will not change significantly. Teachers will need to be flexible and adaptable in the online context. So one, ICT environment. Second, align with the learning objectives. Third, prevent cheating and teamings. The challenges and the strategies for online assessment. One issue, ICT environment. In order to utilize ICT, it is necessary to have suitable devices and strong internet networks. Distribution of laptop or tablets, those are important. Guarantee for internet accessibility to download and upload materials. So those can be the environmental sort of issues. So example, I want to share with you the Kumamoto Prefecture, Kumamoto City, inside Kumamoto Prefecture in Japan. They conducted a survey on the internet accessibilities. So students without internet or devices lent out the tablet. So Kumamoto cities lent the tablets. So this is the example during the Corona period, how they teach the classes, the photos. So challenges and the strategies for online assessment. Number two issue is align with learning objectives. It might be impossible to measure whether the objectives has been achieved. Example, the learning objectives to able to safely conduct science experiment following appropriate procedures. In this case, online assessment is difficult because teachers cannot observe the student experimenting. Learning objective itself must be adjusted. So another challenge and the strategy for online assessment. Align with learning objectives. Example, new learning objectives to be able to explain the procedure of science experiments and the least 4 points to pay attention. The challenge allows students to perform to be measurable by using descriptive criteria. The issue 3, prevent cheating and teaming. Since there is no examiners online, it is easier for students to search or discuss with friends. This may cause unfairness in terms of the measuring the students' acquisition. The solution, possible solution can be use some remote exam tools, conduct open note examinations. Cheating will no longer the cheating. Yeah. Assign pair, the group works. So be aware of free riders, that is a point, but assign, do the group works. Okay, so I want to talk about the next useful tools for online assessment, which is a learning management system. Learning management system, we call it LMS, is an online platform for learning using internet. The main functions are managing of teaching materials. Teachers can share documents to students. Students can submit the assignments. The management of learning progress. Teachers can make quiz to assess students' achievement, automatically grading. Interaction between teachers and students. So this is examples. Learning management system will be like a Google Classroom or Blackboard. Yeah. So submission status, you can see it. Then the make quiz with various type of the questions. Yeah. So this is just an example. Then computer-based testings, that is useful tools for online assessment. So computer-based testing, CTB, refers to the ICT-based assessment of academic achievement, which students can test with tablet or laptop. The test management system automatically generates tests using collection of various types of questions, like item banks. Yeah. It enables teachers to select the best combination of the questions and then maintain test difficulty over time. So we can use computer-based testings. It's like traditionally we use paper-based testing, PBP. Yeah, so the tests are created based on the teacher's institution and the expense, but the computer-based testing is we use AI, even they can make the test. But we have to have lots, put it in the item bank. Okay, e-portfolio. So e-portfolio is the digital archive which records learning activities and achievement at schools. This manage it, yeah, e-portfolio. Manage a variety of teaching materials by the folder. And the teachers can provide feedback and comments directly on students' submissions. Then students can reflect on the feedback and resubmit. So in the long run, it can be considered resume of learnings. So next, the cases online assessment during COVID-19 and after COVID-19. So during the school closure during COVID-19, due to the COVID-19, promotion of the online learning was demanded. So Kumamoto City, again, it's a south part of Japan. Kumamoto City was one of the few areas where immediately responded to these COVID issues. Then Kumamoto City Education Center, their website introduced practical models on online classes in Kumamoto City, and some useful tools and websites are introduced. So this is the actual photos. One left side is an online class during the COVID closing schools. Yes, and the left side, sorry, that's the left side. And then the right side showing the assignment for the class. This is like online, how they're doing, how they have done during the COVID time. Then each students, because formative assessment, reflection is important. Yeah, and the follow-up, right? Each student's reflections are shared with the whole class along with the teacher's comments in red. So those are the teacher's comments also. Yeah, so that is examples. Then after the COVID-19, then we return to the regular form of teaching as it is, and also the assessment as it is, or we should change or innovative. So we'll return to face-to-face schools, but we may continuously use online tools to teach and assess effectively. So hybrid, like a blended learnings. Why not blended learnings? So that is my sessions. Thank you so much for your patience. And this reference, please, if you have time, please take a look at that and you can learn more. Thank you so much.